Printing press components and maintenance. Hello folks, welcome to this comprehensive lesson on the components of a printing press and their maintenance. A printing press is a complex machine composed of various essential parts that work together to produce high-quality printed materials. One of the key components is the plate cylinder, which holds the printing plate in place and transfers the image onto the substrate. Without a properly functioning plate cylinder, the printing process would be compromised, resulting in poor print quality. Another crucial component is the impression cylinder, which applies pressure to the substrate to ensure that the ink is transferred effectively. Regular maintenance of the impression cylinder is necessary to prevent issues such as uneven printing or smudged ink. Additionally, the ink fountain plays a vital role in regulating the flow of ink onto the printing plate. Proper maintenance of the ink fountain is essential to avoid ink wastage and maintain consistent color quality throughout the printing process. In order to ensure the smooth operation of a printing press, it is important to adhere to regular maintenance schedules and procedures. This includes cleaning the press regularly to prevent buildup of ink and debris, lubricating moving parts to reduce friction and wear, and inspecting components for any signs of damage or malfunction. By following a disciplined maintenance routine, printing press operators can prolong the lifespan of the machine and minimize costly repairs. When troubleshooting common issues with a printing press, operators should first refer to the manufacturer's manual for guidance. If the issue persists, they can seek assistance from a qualified technician to diagnose and resolve the problem. It is important to address any issues promptly to avoid downtime and maintain productivity in the printing facility. In conclusion, understanding the components of a printing press and implementing a regular maintenance routine are essential for ensuring optimal performance and longevity of the machine. By taking proactive measures to care for the press, operators can avoid costly repairs and downtime, ultimately leading to improved efficiency and print quality. Thank you for joining us in this lesson on printing press components and maintenance. Printing press components, plates, cylinders, ink system. A printing press is a complex machine composed of various essential components that work together seamlessly to produce high-quality prints. Among these components are plates, cylinders, and the ink system, each of which plays a crucial role in the printing process. Plates are one of the fundamental components of a printing press. These plates are typically made of materials like aluminum or polyester and are used to transfer the image or text onto the printing surface. For example, in offset printing, the plates are first treated with chemicals to create the image, which is then transferred onto a rubber blanket before being printed onto the final substrate. Cylinders are another vital component of a printing press. These cylinders help to transfer the image from the plates onto the printing surface with precision and consistency. In a web press, for instance, the cylinders rotate at high speeds to ensure that the ink is transferred smoothly onto the paper as it passes through the press. The ink system is equally important in the printing process. This system is responsible for delivering the ink to the plates or cylinders, ensuring that the right amount of ink is applied for each print. Different types of printing presses may use different ink systems, such as a direct ink system in digital printing or a fountain ink system in offset printing. Overall, the seamless coordination of plates, cylinders, and the ink system is essential for the efficient and effective operation of a printing press. Without these key components working together in harmony, the quality and consistency of the prints produced would be compromised. Therefore, understanding the role of each component and how they interact is crucial for achieving optimal printing results. 1. Plates. Plates play a crucial role in the intricate process of printing by acting as the fundamental template that facilitates the transfer of images onto the printing substrate. In the realm of offset printing, a key technique widely used in the industry, images are initially imprinted from a plate onto a rubber blanket before being further transferred onto the final printing surface. The choice of plate material is a critical decision that hinges on factors such as the type of press being utilized and the specific printing requirements at hand. Plate materials can encompass a range of options, including metal, paper, or polyester, each offering distinct advantages and suitability for different printing scenarios. When considering the material composition of plates, it is common to encounter aluminum and polyester as predominant choices. Aluminum plates are renowned for their durability, making them a favored option for high-volume printing jobs despite their relatively higher cost compared to other alternatives like polyester. Due to the wear and tear experienced during the printing process, plates necessitate periodic replacement, especially when dealing with extensive print runs, to uphold the delivery of top-notch quality output consistently. Regular plate maintenance is paramount to prolonging their lifespan and preventing any distortion in the printed images. Proper cleaning practices and careful handling procedures are indispensable in ensuring the plates remain in optimal condition for an extended period. In essence, the significance of plates in the realm of printing cannot be overstated, as they serve as the linchpin in the image transfer process, dictating the quality and precision of the final printed material. By understanding the diverse plate materials available, the necessity for regular plate replacement, and the crucial role of maintenance in plate longevity, printers can effectively optimize their printing processes and deliver exceptional results to clients. 2. Cylinders. Cylinders play a vital role in the smooth operation of various printing techniques like offset, gravure, and flexography. Each type of cylinder has a specific function that contributes to the overall image transfer process. The impression cylinder is responsible for pressing the paper against the blanket cylinder to facilitate the transfer of the image. This crucial step ensures that the final printed product is of high quality and accurately represents the original design. For example, in offset printing, the impression cylinder exerts pressure to ensure proper ink transfer onto the paper, resulting in a crisp image. The blanket cylinder receives the inked image from the plate cylinder and then transfers it onto the paper. This cylinder acts as a mediator between the plate cylinder and the final substrate, ensuring that the image is faithfully reproduced. In gravure printing, the blanket cylinder's smooth surface is essential for transferring intricate details onto the paper with precision. The plate cylinder holds the printing plate and transfers the image onto the blanket cylinder. This cylinder is where the actual image to be printed is engraved or etched, making it a crucial component in the printing process. In flexography, the plate cylinder's flexibility allows for printing on various surfaces, making it a versatile tool in the industry. Regular maintenance of these cylinders is essential to prevent issues like misalignment or damage, which can result in poor image quality. For instance, a misaligned plate cylinder can cause smudged images or inconsistent prints, affecting the overall aesthetics of the final product. Therefore, routine inspection and cleaning of the cylinders are necessary to ensure optimal performance and print quality. In conclusion, understanding the functions of each cylinder and maintaining them properly are key factors in achieving high-quality prints in different printing techniques. By recognizing the importance of these components and implementing proper care, printers can ensure consistent and professional results in their work.
3. Ink system. The ink system plays a crucial role in the printing process by ensuring that ink is applied to the printing plates consistently and evenly. This is achieved through the coordinated effort of various components within the system. One key component is the ink fountain, which serves as the storage unit for the printing ink and regulates the amount dispensed onto the plates. To illustrate, imagine the ink fountain as a reservoir that carefully controls the flow of ink, much like a well-tuned faucet in a household. Another essential element is the ink rollers, which are responsible for distributing the ink across the plate surface. It is imperative that these rollers are properly aligned and cleaned to maintain print consistency. For instance, think of the ink rollers as paint brushes that need to be meticulously maintained to ensure smooth and even strokes on a canvas. Regular maintenance of the ink system is crucial to prevent issues such as ink buildup, which can lead to smudging or uneven prints. By cleaning the system regularly, these problems can be avoided, ensuring high-quality output. Additionally, proper calibration of the system is essential to guarantee the right ink flow. This can be likened to tuning a musical instrument to produce the perfect harmony of colors on paper. In conclusion, The ink system is a vital component in the printing process, and its proper functioning is essential for achieving optimal print quality. By understanding the role of each component and maintaining the system effectively, consistent and high-quality prints can be produced. Maintenance schedules and procedures. Maintenance schedules and procedures play a vital role in the upkeep of a printing press to ensure smooth operations and high-quality prints. Implementing a structured maintenance schedule is key to preventing unexpected downtimes and costly repairs. In the realm of daily maintenance, it is crucial to thoroughly clean the press at the end of each day to eliminate any ink residues and paper dust that may have accumulated. Additionally, conducting a visual inspection to identify any worn-out parts or leaks in the ink system is essential for early detection and prompt resolution. Moving on to weekly maintenance tasks, lubricating all moving parts is paramount to reduce wear and friction, thus prolonging the lifespan of the press. Checking and adjusting rollers for proper alignment is another critical step to maintain optimal printing performance. When it comes to monthly maintenance, paying attention to plate care is imperative. Inspecting and replacing damaged plates, as well as ensuring they are correctly seated on cylinders to prevent slips, are necessary measures to uphold print quality. Moreover, cleaning cylinders thoroughly on a regular basis is essential to prevent ink buildup that could compromise printing results.
Quarterly maintenance activities include system calibration to ensure color consistency and accuracy throughout the printing process. Additionally, replacing worn-out parts such as bearings and belts is crucial to maintain the press's functionality and efficiency over time. By diligently following these maintenance schedules and procedures, printing press operators can significantly enhance the longevity and performance of their equipment, ultimately leading to cost savings and improved print quality. Troubleshooting common printing press issues. Troubleshooting is a crucial skill for printing press operators to possess in order to swiftly pinpoint and resolve issues to minimize downtime. It is essential to be able to identify common problems that may arise during the printing process and know how to effectively address them. One common issue that operators may encounter is poor print quality. This can be caused by various factors such as improper plate-to-blanket contact, uneven ink distribution, or dirty and damaged plates. For instance, if the print quality is subpar, checking the plate-to-blanket contact and ensuring that the ink distribution is uniform can make a significant difference in the output. Additionally, keeping the plates clean and undamaged is crucial for maintaining a high print quality. Another frequent problem is ink smudges on the printed material. This can be due to issues with ink viscosity and roller pressure, as well as ink buildup on the rollers and cylinders. To remedy this, operators should regularly check and adjust the ink viscosity and roller pressure, as well as clean any ink buildup to prevent smudging. Misalignment is another issue that can affect the printing process. Checking the alignment of cylinders and adjusting them if necessary, along with ensuring that all plates are correctly mounted and secured, can help prevent misalignment problems. Conclusion: understanding the various components of a printing press and implementing regular maintenance and troubleshooting practices are essential for prolonging the lifespan of the equipment and enhancing the quality of the output. By maintaining a well-functioning printing press, operators can improve efficiency and reduce operational costs in the long run. We trust that this overview has equipped you with a solid understanding of printing press components and effective maintenance and troubleshooting techniques. Remember, reflecting on each task performed and observing the outcomes are key aspects of enhancing both learning and practical skills in the printing industry. Thank you for taking this lesson on printing press components and maintenance. We hope to see you in the next lesson. Happy learning!